gonna unbox. Yeah. Let me see. It's okay. Where am I? Hi.
Hi.
We're gonna unbox today. Why do you have paint? Oh no, I have paint. Then we're gonna get the chairs ready. This is Gia's chair. You wanna unbox with me? You want the mic too? You want a mic too? Okay, I'll get you a mic. Look at the camera and say hi.
Hi.
Say hi again.
Hi.
Okay, I'm gonna get this one ready too. This is Daddy's chair, and this is whose chair is this?
This one's mine.
This one's yours. Okay. Then
Again, Baba.
remove this.
Daddy, we need to put this back.
No, don't put it back. That's my chair.
Is it wet?
Good.
Why not?
It's our table.
Let me see.
Whoa.
I'll hold it for you.
Okay.
I'll hold this one. Did you take it off? Let me see the man.
Huh?
The man.
No, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I want to take it off.
Why?
Because it's going to drop and fall.
It's not gonna drop.
The dog going to bite it.
No, the dog's not gonna bite it.
Please.
No, I can't get it.
You cannot
Yuck.
get it. You cannot get it.
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me help. Let me help.
Okay. Okay, got it.
Wait, what about the other one?
I'll do it.
Let me do it.
Huh?
I got it.
You did it?
I got it.
Okay, we got it. Is it too low? I think we need to move.
What about me?
Okay, I'll move your chair.
What about the chair? What about the table?
Let's move the table. You help me. Okay, sit down.
Good.
Okay, I need to get the box. I'll get it. It's heavy. You sit here. You wait for me. Stop touching the mic.
Because
You need help? Do you need help?
I need the baba. Let me see.
Okay. Wait for me, huh?
Okay. Daddy! I want the baba.
What?
I want the baba.
You want the baba? Why?
But I might fall. I might fall.
Yeah. Let's open the box. You wanna open the box with me? Okay.
It's not dirty.
It's not dirty.
It's not dirty. Let me see.
Wait. Almost there.
Go pop it.
You wanna pop it? I'll give you a small piece.
Let's give it more piece. Pop it.
Oh!
Why that?
It's a special box.
And for mommy.
It's for Daddy.
And for daddy.
Yeah.
And for you.
Yeah.
What's inside? I want to pop it.
You got that box.
I want to pop it.
Oh, you wanna pop it? But it's dirty. Say pop.
Pop, pop.
Okay.
Wait, I'm not done.
It's not working. How about this? Okay, you did it.
There's more. Pop.
I need to show them the box. You wanna help me show them the box?
Daddy, what's inside? Daddy, what about me?
Thank you for supporting me this race season. Ganda ng box. Ganda pa ng pagka-red.
Daddy, you need to open it.
I need to open it? Okay. Puro English ako sa vlog, ah.
Open it.
Okay, I'm gonna open it.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Daddy, pop it.
Wow. Wanna pop it? You wanna wear the hat? You wanna wear the hat? Ay, you have paint pala. Look at my hat. Look at my hat. Is it nice?
Yeah. I cannot pop it.
You cannot pop it?
My turn.
I'll help you. Ready?
Ready.
Go, squeeze it.
Daddy, baba.
You wanna baba? Why? Are you done? You don't wanna help? You don't wanna help na?
I want to help.
Okay.
Daddy, Right there. Baby.
We need to change the camera angle. Wait, it's heavy.
Heavy.
Okay, you wait for me.
Do it heavy.
That's not heavy.
You do it like this. That help. I want to help you. I want to help you.
Okay, I'll just open it. Oh, can you open it? This one, this side. Here. Okay. Nawala na yung plastic kasi.
Wow.
Pinutok-putok na
So, may-
So, meron tayong
Is it
chain.
heavy?
Yeah, it's heavy.
Why
Front
that?
sprocket. It's a front sprocket.
If one was the cycle.
Yeah. And my other sprocket. It's for the likod.
For the cord. Oh,
Yeah.
just some sticker.
Ay, that's my stickers.
Wow.
Oh, show them the stickers. Here. Oh, where is it? Here. Need to show them here. Show them this. Next.
We need to do this.
No! Need to count it.
I need
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14!
Daddy, why is shouting? Why is shouting? Daddy, why is shouting?
So, dito na yung mga
I'm gonna braid
may
it.
mga dumadaan.
I'm gonna braid it. I'm gonna braid it.
So, dito na yung mga sprocket natin. So, again, sprocket. Ay, huh? Chain. Meron tayong mga free stickers from Mr. MM. Tapos meron na rin akong biniling rubber damper just in case na sira na pala to. Pero,
Okay.
feeling ko hindi pa naman. Pero, just in case. Tapos, nandito na rin yung mga isa pa palang sticker. Nandito na rin yung mga chain. Sprocket natin.
Bless you.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Is that my toy?
Okay.
What's that mine?
It's not a toy, it's a plastic.
It's a toy.
It's a toy, okay, it's a toy.
What's my toy?
Tapos front sprocket, kasama na rin yung rear sprocket. So kompleto na, kaya matagal-tagal din tayong walang vlog kasi nga nag-aalanganin na ako dito sa sprocket ko ngayon. May galaw na kasi siya.
Wow!
Ang ganda ng box!
Wow!
Ayusin ko lang para mapicturan ko. Kasi sayang naman.
Wow!
Ganda-ganda eh. Ganda ng pagkaayos kanina eh. Kaso,
Wow!
na-excite kaming mag-unbox. Sana pala pinicturean ko muna. Front, rear, tapos yung mga stickers. Okay. Okay, let's take a picture. Can you tell them, let's take a picture? Tell them, let's take a picture.
Take a picture!
Bang bang pow, what I do is magic. I hop on the track and get the spaz and rip and break the shit till I get the crack. And all hell breaks loose when I get the packet. Got flows all day, you can check my notes. No interruptions when I'm in my zone. You hate what is real, but you'll never know how real I get when I'm in control. Damn, it's back to the basics. Remember when I would be rapping in basements? Yeah, and now it's get bases. This be the shit that I do on a basis. Look, don't care about the placement. I could care less about me being famous. Hey, I do this myself and they all getting mad cause I don't know their faces. They wanna feature.
Where did you get it? Where did you get it? Huh?
But that's mine.
Is that yours? Is that yours?
Me, I'm on you.
Okay. Put it on me. Okay. Thank you.
I need my girl to be whipping the vet and my ex to be bitter and live with regrets. I hit the bank with a smirk on my face and they getting mad cause I'm getting respect. So watch how I do it, my ethic is perfect. I'm working and earning, that be how I flex. Shout out the people that told me I wouldn't. Y'all are the reason I'm still making music. They tell me they hate when I step on the edge, but when I back up they just try to abuse me. It's so unamusing and this is my void in a world full of hate, but the shit ain't confusing.